The premium choice for professionals, MULCO Supra Elite, is a high-performance, hybrid sealant for a wide range of interior and exterior applications. With a variety of colors to choose from, Supra Elite has a match for most common windows, doors, and siding colors from select siding manufacturers, including James Hardie. Can't find the color you're looking for? No problem. Supra Elite is paintable after just 24 hours, providing a seamless finish to your job. Experience the instant rain and water resistance of Supra Elite, ensuring your work doesn't wash away and bonds on wet or damp surfaces. Supra Elite applies easily in cold weather, and once cured, its bond remains flexible with permanent plasticity down to temperatures of -50°C. The easy-to-use formula helps you achieve professional results with bubble-free application even on porous surfaces, saving you time. Supra Elite from MULCO. Seal it once and for all.